Assalamu alaikum learners. My name is Mozam Ali and welcome to Data Analysis with Python course offered by MT Learners. In this video, we will talk about types of EDA and the steps to perform EDA. EDA can be broadly divided into two categories based on the number of variables. Firstly, univariate analysis. In this type, only one variable is analyzed. Consequently, there are no relationships to be analyzed or found, as would be the case if there were multiple variables. This type of data analysis deals with describing and understanding the data distribution. Some graphical methods are adopted here in order to visualize the data, includes box plots and histograms. Secondly, multivariate analysis. This type of analysis involves two or more variables. As a result, in addition to understanding the data distribution of a variable, it is necessary to analyze the relationship between the variables. Statistical graphical methods, which are popularly used for multivariate analysis, include the scatter plots and heat maps. A detailed explanation and implementation of each of these graphical methods with Python will be provided in the upcoming videos. After discussing the types of EDA, let's look at the steps to perform EDA. The steps listed just one of the logical ways you could explore while you get started. First, importing and cleaning the data. The first step to any analysis is to import the data, clean and transform it to the required readable format. Then, univariate analysis. It is logical to start the analysis by considering one variable at a time, learning each variable's distribution and summary statistics. Then, pair exploration. The next step would be identify relationships between pairs of variables using simple two-dimensional graphs. Then multivariate analysis. Having analyzed the variable in pairs, the relationships between larger groups can be analyzed to investigate and identify more complex relationships. Then hypothesis testing and estimation. The assumptions made regarding the data set can be tested at this stage, and estimations are made regarding the variability of variables. Then visualization. Visualization is used both during exploration and analysis of the data, as well as to effectively communicate the results and findings. Thanks for watching this video.